Alright, my dudes. I don't know what this helicopter is doing. It's like a reddish orange helicopter that is going very low. I don't know, but you can hear it. It's somewhere around here. Let me try to catch it. I have my basketball with me. But that's not going to be good because there's a freaking helicopter about to crash into people's houses. What's going on over here? See it? You see it? Okay, that's it. I'm cutting these people's yards because I don't know what the heck this guy is doing. This guy's a maniac, and once for all. No, I'm not going to cut people's yards, but oh my god. My dudes! What the heck? Ah, you shut up. You shut up. Frick, man. There it is! What are you doing, you frickin' god? Woo, my god. Oh my gosh, I need to put this on YouTube, which I'm going to. Oh my gosh, man. Alright guys, this is a maniac frickin', oh my god. This is a maniac helicopter. I'm gonna see if I can get it one more time, but oh my god. This thing is drunk or something. Is it over there now? That's a lawnmower. Okay, that might actually be the end of it. Well, guys, this has been a pleasure to meet you guys again. I know I said that it'll be every day counting that week. The basketball video I did, it'll be every day. Starting 2 days ago, but I couldn't upload one yesterday because I had to help my mom make salads and stuff like that. That's what happens. You guys still with me? Okay. Well, hope you guys have a good day. Like, subscribe, comment, just do whatever you need to do. And as always, peace out.